I don't believe it.
Michael Maloney, he is your homie. You're not alone. Pick up the phone. He's been a stone. He stay elected. He play trombone. Michael Maloney. Hey, packing your bag, grabbing your shoes, screaming at the zoo. A visit to the city and maybe the zoo. Ooh, Michael Maloney.
Hey, ciao! It is me, Michael Maloné, and welcome to another video with me, Michael Maloné. Many people ask, they say, Michael, what do you like to cook at home? I say, I love to cook many things, but today I want to show you how to cook a pasta like a Mama Maloné. What I have done today is I have gone into the garden and I picked myself some lovely tomatoes. Take a look at them. They're so nice. Even the cat, he liked the tomato too. Eh? I told you, he loved it so much. So you added the tomato to the pan. This is my pan. And then with the tomatoes in there, we can then get the pasta on the boil. I love it. Mama Maloné, she always uses this pasta. It's made by Don Gaetano. He's like my second cousin. I love him so much. He's so beautiful, a lovely man. And he makes a great penne. So boil the pasta and then cook up the tomatoes. And then all you need to do is add a little bit of the seasoning. I love the seasoning so much. Let's do it together in the bowl. Hey, come here, Tommy Tomato. Hey. Oh yeah, so good. I love it so much. Now we have some lovely seasoned tomatoes. And then we put that together with our lovely penne by Don Gaetano. And then we have pasta with the pomodoro. It is so nice. Hey, ciao! That is the moment you have all been waiting for. Let us put some basil on. Here we go. Oh, it's so nice. I love it so much. Now let us have a taste. Mmm, so good. I love it. Ciao.
Michael Maloney, he is your homie.